Man, I could drink this all day.
For sure. Spicy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome to our channel. My name is Chris.
And I'm Leo, and we are The Drinking Guys.
On today's episode, guys, we're gonna show you how to make a Moscow Mule. A very refreshing cocktail and simple, but it does come with a kick.
The story of the Moscow Mule is about 3 people with excess product and no idea what to do with them. Those are vodka, ginger beer, and copper mugs.
So this American cocktail became a lot more than the so-called Moscow Mule. Then you have the version with the tequila. It's called the Jalisco Mule. With bourbon, the Kentucky Mule. And when it's done with gin, the London Mule.
Exactly, Chris. And for this cocktail, all you'll need is gonna be a jigger,
That's right.
copper mug, and some honeys. You know what I'm saying?
What are you doing, man?
What's up? Sorry.
What are you doing?
Sorry.
And on to the cocktail. All right, so the first thing that we're actually gonna do, we're gonna do half an ounce of lime. Now remember, guys, this is a built-in cocktail, so build it in the glass.
Or the copper mug.
Or the copper mug. Half an ounce of simple syrup. All right, guys, and we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of our favorite vodka. There you go.
All right, 1.5 ounces.
That's right.
It is
Yeah,
ice time.
ice time. All right, guys, and we're gonna put 3 ounces of our ginger beer.
There you go.
Perfect.
All right. So we get the 2 ounces over here.
That's right.
Boom. You got 1 ounce on this side.
That looks good.
Boom. It does, right?
Yeah. All right, and then we're gonna grab our spoon and we're gonna stir. Guess we're doing that. Oh man, that's good.
So now we're gonna finish with a little more ice.
That's right.
I'm gonna hook you up there.
Go ahead.
Bam.
Very
Oof.
nice.
A little more. I
Ice.
like it. Icy.
And all right, guys, and for the garnish, we're gonna do a lime wedge, and Leo is gonna cut it for us.
Exactly. So.
Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going.
All right. There you go. I've made it. Should
It is.
sharpen these.
A dull knife is more dangerous than a sharp knife. I don't know if I'm quoting Gordon Ramsay, but I'm pretty sure he said that.
All right.
Excellent. So just grab one of these little skewers, pierce them in, and there you go. Look how beautiful that looks. That looks
Boom.
excellent. And now the best part.
We drink.
That's right. Cheers.
So good though. Wow. I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze a little bit of lime on top.
That's right. What are you getting from this?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I can drink this
All day.
all day,
Out on the boat.
out on the boat, by a pool.
Yeah.
I don't even know. Just
Yeah,
with the
it's a-
honeys.
Right, the honey's from, yeah. Anyways, so you could definitely try this at home. It is a fantastic cocktail. And again, if you're having a beach day or what, like a pool day.
For sure. And what are you tasting, man? What do you get there?
Ice.
You get ice. I get ginger beer. That ginger beer is amazing.
Yeah.
It gives it a little kick,
That's right.
which I love. But
I would say the best thing that this cocktail has is that it's refreshing, man. It's just,
It is.
Oh man, it's just refreshing. At whatever you can have this cocktail.
I'm gonna keep
at
drinking.
whatever time. Yeah, I'm gonna finish it.
wow,
And
Moscow Mule is so
And you
good.
get ice. They are pretty good. I haven't had one of these in such a long time.
For real?
Yeah, I would say the first time I had this cocktail was when I first started working at the bar,
Yeah.
and it's kind of like the same feeling that I have now. I haven't had one of these in, I would say, like easy 2 years.
Yeah.
Like 2-3 years.
I usually don't have a lot of vodka,
At all.
so I'm actually like a fan of the Kentucky Mule or
Yeah.
the London Mule. But the Moscow Mule is a classic, and you can't go wrong with it.
You definitely
You know,
can.
obviously the vodka is not overpowering like other spirits can be. You know, like the other versions. But
What did you say?
Down.
What'd you say? You want? Cheers.
cheers, man. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining us today. It's been a pleasure making cocktails for you guys, and it's been a pleasure making
Drinking
cocktails
us.
for us.
Duh.
Drinking,
That's
obviously, as we are the drinking guys. Make sure to stick around. We have a lot more fire content coming your way.
That's right. And if you like these kinds of videos, again, make sure you hit the like button or smash it if you're into those kind of things. And subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one.
Wrap. That's weird. And that's a wrap.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right, guys. Make sure to hit that video. I'm sure you guys are gonna love it.
That's right.
Yeah.
Peace.